Have you ever wondered about how you can earn affiliate commissions from digital products without actually promoting the products? Hey everyone, Ryan Nielsen here. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out my channel. I'm here today to introduce you to BLOX 2.0. This internet income solution has been called unique, innovative, and weird because this is how they can, and they do, make hundreds, even thousands in a single week from other people's products without promoting them. Isn't it time you did something that's genuinely proven to work? So at any time during this review of BLOX 2.0, if you want to go ahead and get to this bonus page, click the link in the description below this video. It'll take you here, and there'll be links on this page to take you into more information. So what is BLOX 2.0 all about? BLOX 2.0 is a leader pitch system which enables the user to drive prospects to their flip pages to earn affiliate commissions from other people's products without actually promoting the products. If you're serious about making extra money online, or even curious, I believe BLOX 2.0 is a solution you definitely want to hear about. This is your chance to see the BLOX software and system in action and learn how it can actually help you earn consistent affiliate commissions. So join me this Thursday, May 11th at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the unveiling of BLOX 2.0. During this special presentation, you will learn how BLOX 2.0 works and how one system can make you commissions from multiple products. Learn how and why users get commissions from products they don't promote. See the FIS, which is a bonus, which made $273.48 in 2 days with real proof shown and how you can use it yourself. You will get a special discount only for attendees, and the best part, it's only 30 minutes long. So before we go into this deeper, I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Mark Bishop. He's going to give you a demo, and this is really for the folks that are not able to attend this unveiling of BLOX 2.0, the special presentation that's happening this Thursday, May 11th at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you want to skip over it, great. And then when we come back, we're going to look into this deeper. I'm going to tell you all the prices and upgrades, and most importantly, we're going to get to my special bonuses that I picked out just for you purchasing BLOX 2.0.
In this video, we're going to show you how we use block systems to genuinely make money online. We'll show you how we're able to make hundreds of dollars in hours with just a few minutes work. We'll show you how we're able to turn those hundreds of dollars into thousands of dollars with just a few more extra minutes of work. We'll show you how anyone, even complete beginners, can and should be doing this today. And we'll share what is the most important part of this whole page, proof. And when we say proof, we mean real, indisputable proof, where we actually show the names of the products which we made money from using the BLOX system. We share the vendor names, i.e. the people who own those products, and of course we share the amounts we made too. That way you will know with complete certainty that BLOX is a real system that we actually use ourselves, and one which genuinely makes us money. And then you can decide if you want to do this too. So the obvious question is, what is BLOX? How does it work? How does it make money? The simple answer is BLOX is a unique approach to digital product affiliate marketing. Now I know that many of you watching this video right now will know exactly what a digital product is, you'll know what affiliate marketing is, you'll know how affiliate marketing works, but if you are unsure, then you'll find full details on this page. So assuming that you do know how affiliate marketing works, you'll know that in order to get paid, you need to promote a product. In most cases, you'll need to create a promotion specific to the product that you want to target or promote. For example, if I wanted to promote a product called Product X, then I would create a promotion specific to Product X, and then when somebody clicks my link, I'd receive a commission. This is called a product-specific promotion, but we don't do it like this anymore. In most cases with BLOX, we don't create product-specific promotions, and we don't promote the product, at least not the way everybody else does it, because when you promote somebody else's product, you're actually limiting the amount of money that you can make, and you're increasing your workload. So we don't promote other people's products, yet we still get paid from them. Let me clarify this for you. Essentially, we get paid affiliate commission, the same affiliate commission that any affiliate would receive, yet we receive it without actually promoting the product. Yes, we still sell those products, but we don't promote them. Let me show you a real example. This is a product called Affiliate Gold Rush by Jeremy Kennedy. Now, on the first day we targeted this product with BLOX, we banked $466.42. So that's $466.42 in one day for around 20 minutes work. Then over the following days, we ramped our total earnings on Jeremy's product up to $1,059.14 with just a few minutes of additional work. Yet we didn't actually promote Jeremy's product. We didn't promote the product, but we still made over $1,000 from it. And we even tagged Jeremy on Facebook to let him know what we did. So what you're looking at here is real proof, and we have lots more to show you. But first, let me tell you how this works and why BLOX makes us more for doing a lot less. Okay, so a BLOX system is an evergreen system. Once set up, it's a system that we can use to target any digital product we like within the parameters noted on this page. A BLOX system has nothing whatsoever to do with the product. What I mean by that is a BLOX system is not specific to the products that we target and make money from. For example, I could target Jeremy's product today. I could target somebody else's product tomorrow, and somebody else's the day after that. But I'm always using the exact same BLOX system. What we're saying is one BLOX system pretty much fits all. It's all we need to make money from lots of different digital products. We create one system. One system allows us to target and make money from lots of different products. And whenever we want to change which product we're targeting, it takes us literally 2 minutes. This is why we can make hundreds of dollars in commission in a single day and thousands in a week. And it's why anybody can now do the same. And we do mean anyone. We know that more and more people are looking for simple ways to make extra money online right now. And we know a lot of those people are going to be complete beginners. So they won't have any special skills. They probably won't have any tech ability. Most won't have an email list. They might not have a lot of time. And most won't have a lot of spare cash either. But they can still use BLOX. Let me show you. So we told you that one BLOX system pretty much fits all. One system is all we need to make money from different digital products. And we can do this because the only thing that we ever need to change in the system are a couple of elements on what we call the flip page. The rest of the system remains exactly the same all of the time. That's why it's an evergreen system. Nothing else ever changes. Now there are two parts to the system, which we call the core and the pitch. The core is essentially the system, and the pitch is how we send prospects into the system. Sending prospects into the system is essentially how we make money. But we don't have or use just one pitch system. We have lots of them. Lots of different pitch systems for all kinds of scenarios. One of those may be just starting out, starting from scratch, which is what you'd be doing today if you are a complete beginner. So if you are a complete beginner, then this should really interest you. This is a product called Untapped Traffic by Steve Mallet, which we targeted with BLOX. Now this time we used two pitch systems and made a total of just over $711 in commission. And although $711 is a nice result, I'm only going to tell you about just over $252 of that total. Why? Because $252 is the amount we made using nothing but something we call the BLOX split pitch system, which we created and tested especially for complete beginners. And as you can see from the results and the fact that we posted and tagged the owner of this product on Facebook, it clearly worked. So if you are a complete beginner, the split pitch system will more than likely be your go-to pitch system to begin with, because the only skills you need are the ability to read, write and give something away for free, and pretty much everybody can do that. So regardless of whether you're just starting out today or if you've been making a full-time income as an affiliate for years, if you want to make some extra money online, or if you want to increase the amount of money you already make online, it'll be worth your while checking out the rest of this page now, because Unlike so much of the stuff in the marketplace today, BLOX is a system that genuinely works. It's a system that anyone can use, but most importantly, it's a system that's proven to make thousands of dollars. And rather than hide any of that, we show you everything on this page. So if you are serious about making extra money online, or if you simply want to increase the amount of money you already make, check out this page now, look at the results, and then click any of the buttons to get started with BLOX today.
So here I am inside of the members area of BLOX 2.0, which at the very beginning you get a welcome message, an 8-minute message welcoming you to BLOX 2.0. And then the training that you get on the front end are 4 subsections, and each of these subsections has videos and documentation underneath them, lessons that you will be able to go through and learn all about this system. And then you also get with the front end something unrelated to BLOX 2.0, which is extra training for anyone who needs extra traffic with a helping hand. And I also wanted to call your attention to the upgrades, and I'll show you the prices here in a little bit. But one of the things that you might be interested in is the ready-made BLOX systems, which this is something for anyone who's new especially, and anyone who doesn't have time to go through all this stuff and they want solutions done for you. So I'm going to go ahead and go back over to my bonus page and take you down through the prices and upsells. I've given you a complete description of BLOX 2.0 and the reasons why it's unique, evergreen, complete, and perfect for beginners, and examples, and how it's high quality and how it's proven. So the front end price for BLOX 2.0 is $23. You will receive instant access to your own BLOX 2.0 account, and these are the things you're going to get inside of it. There's also an order bump which shows you premium case studies, and then you have the upgrades, which are the BLOX Income Maximizer, the BLOX RMS, which I was telling you a little bit earlier with the ready-made systems. This is optional. It's not a one-time offer. It's just something that you may want to get, especially for someone who's new or you're someone who's too busy to do this all your own and you need some ready-made systems to do it for you. And this is all. You can take a deeper dive into this sales page on my bonus page, and it'll help you understand what all this is about, because none of this information here is not on the sales page. I don't think you get this information until you get inside after you purchase the front end. Alright, and they also have an agency version, which is essentially a reseller package. And this will give you guaranteed approval on any products that you promote. Here's Mark and John, my friends. And then here we are to the bonuses. Just by picking up the front end of BLOX 2.0, you're going to get bonus number 1, BLOX 2.0's effortless video editing. This is a bonus that I got from my friend Mark Hess, and I bought his products, and he is a fantastic trainer. And so I'm going to go ahead and flip over to what that looks like and give you the description for that. Discover the smartest, fastest, easiest way ever to edit videos like a pro using the power of AI. Edit product review videos, video tutorials, talking head videos, podcasts, blogs, Zoom interviews, sales landing pages, video training, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok videos in minutes. This is unlike anything you've ever seen before, and you're going to love it using this AI-powered video editing software. And then bonus number 2 is another Marquez product called Ultimate Facebook Traffic Trick. The Ultimate Facebook Traffic Trick produced $297.36 in recurring affiliate commissions. Discover how to create traffic magnets that take advantage of Facebook's algorithm to send you free targeted traffic in any niche. The best part is you don't need Facebook friends or followers. You don't need to show your face or use your voice. You don't need to message or engage with people. This is totally proven free traffic So I'm giving you options for traffic methods, and I think this is a great one to try out, which I kind of like, just my opinion. And then bonus number 3 is Internet Marketing for Busy People. This is a complete internet marketing class with 10 videos that you will learn everything you need to know about starting an online business in your spare time. And you can make money from the web using the information that you're going to see here in the training. It's particularly aimed at the business professional, but this will not only teach you how to use internet marketing in the workplace, but it could possibly teach you how to escape the rat race. Just saying. Bonus number 4 is the no list secret, which Ashley gives you a 9-video series, and he shows you from the beginning to end how you can go from no list to create a list. And it's a method that works every single time and creates income on autopilot. And then number 5 is the vendor bonuses, but I've also included a special bonus, a prize bonus, just for those of you that buy this front end of BLOX 2.0. I've added on another bonus inside of there, and I hope you will like it because it's one of my favorites. So at any time, again, click the link in the description below this video, take you directly to this bonus page. And once you click on any of these blue buttons before May 11th at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you're going to be taken to a sign-up page to get in on the presentation that's happening at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, May 11th, 2023. You can register for the BLOX presentation. Otherwise, if you come in afterwards, you're going to get taken to the sales page, which I don't have up. So, at any rate, after your purchase, you'll be taken to the Warrior Plus area where you'll get a thank you message and a green button to access your purchase, and then a blue button to access all of my bonuses that I'm giving you today just by picking up your front end copy. So I'm just going to leave it with this and tell you that you've got until Thursday, May 18th to make your decision and your choices on what you want to grab during this promotion. Now, there are certain upgrades that are only available during this launch, so that only gives you a week. But you're going to have to take a look at this bonus page to go through all of it in detail to see which one of the bonuses or which one of the upgrades are not available after the launch ends. But this is an evergreen product, and it is going to be available, the front end for sure, after the launch. But my bonuses may or may not be. But at any rate, thank you so much for taking the time to stay to the end and watch this review of BLOX 2.0. And if you like what you see here and you want to see more of my upcoming digital product, information products, software products, trainings, reviews, just click the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all of my upcoming digital product reviews. Thanks a lot and have a great day.